Yes, so here the question says a train passes completely through a tunnel in 5 minutes. A second train twice as long passes through tunnel in 6 minutes. If both the trains are traveling at the same speed, 24 km per hour, determine the length of the tunnel and the length of the trains. So let us see in here the yellow one indicates the train tunnel whose length we have assumed as x, and the red line shows the train. Let us consider the length of train as y, and then second train will be twice y, and when a train completely passes a tunnel, we have to be careful the total distance that it takes. So when a train passes a tunnel, the total distance that a train has to cover is the length of tunnel plus the length of train. It should be very clear. The figure clearly indicates why it should be that. Initially, before crossing the train tunnel, the position of the train was shown here, and when the train crossed the tunnel, this is the second position. So you can just add this value x and this value y to get the total distance. Now let us try to understand few more things. Time taken by the first train is 5 minutes, so total distance covered. Time taken by the first train is 5 minutes, whereas the time taken by the second train as given in the question is 6 minutes. Okay. Total distance covered in passing a tunnel by train 1 will be x plus y, whereas the total distance covered by the train in passing second train by passing the tunnel is x plus 2y, which is self-explanatory. You can easily understand why. Now we will find the speed of the train given is for 24 km per hour, which when changed into meter per minute is 400 meter per minute. Therefore, the distance covered in 5 minutes by the first train will be 2000 meter, as you can see here, 2000 meter, and distance covered by the second train, because it takes 6 minutes, so distance covered is 2400 meters. So we have now formed two equations. This is equation 1 and the equation 2. Equation 1 says x plus y equals to 2000 and x plus 2y equals to 2400. Now, solving these equations, we will get what? X equals to 1600 and y equals to 400. Y equals to 400. You can easily solve these two equations and you will get these values. So length of the tunnel is 1600 meters and length of train is 400 meters, the first train. You can write it train 1, and length of second train will be twice the first length, so that will be 800 meter, train 2, and that is the answer. If I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask.